Hi guys, welcome to the Mini Guy. I want to show you something in this Mini today. Just come up, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Come inside. Okay guys, so let's start this car up so I can show you exactly what I mean. As you can see, the head unit comes on absolutely fine. No problems at all, but wait till it turns itself off. Very frustrating. So the car set itself off. This Mini system, this Mini screen coming up now means that the car's trying to reboot that system. I'm going to show you today how to get this head unit out of the car. The best place to send it, unfortunately, only if you live in the UK. Get this fixed, get it back in. So let's start with how to fix your head unit. So today I've brought to the party some Torx screwdrivers. So first of all, we've got two little clips underneath here, okay, that we need to deal with. So quite simply, get the screwdriver and give it a little push up. That's it. And then that should just pop out there. So we'll drop them straight down there. This one I'd done earlier. That solves that problem there. Then we're going to go to take the head unit out itself. So the plastic's around. We're just going to get one of our plastics and just pop that round on the inside, nice and lightly. That'll remove that for us, okay? So now we've removed this, we'll put that somewhere safe because this car won't be moved for some time. Okay. And now we've got these two Torx in here as well. So I believe they're Torx 20, Torx 15. Here we go, Torx 15. So we're just gonna zip these out as well, or pop them in a safe place. Okay guys, so now we've removed the screws here, we've taken this fascia off. The next thing is to remove this bit here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop something under there just to pull this bit out, okay? And we'll pop that to one side. Now, there's two clips either side, and there's one that runs through the middle, okay? The one through the middle has got like almost like a barb on it, and the two here are both on metal sort of clips going in. So what we're going to do is we're just going to climb down here and have a little poke down the back, which then should, there we go, just remove this one here. So all we're doing, we're poking it down the back there, if you can see, just down the back, and then that there will push down this bit here, which should then enable us to remove this. So this is just the fascia, so this is all we want to remove because this is what we want to send off. So all we're going to do now is just unclip the wires. Don't worry, they will all go back into one place. So you can't get it wrong when it comes to putting them back in at a later date. Some need more persuasion than others. Okay, that one was being a bugger, so I've pulled the secret weapon out. These little things here are absolutely brilliant at getting into the awful spots. Right, here we go. Okie dokie, so finally got it out. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to remove the head unit from itself. So again, using a Torx. Damn. Now we can actually remove the screen itself from the system. So we've got two little clips here as well. We're just going to sort of part these to one side. One there, if you can see that one there. There was one there, so I've just lifted that one above. So this one here will now give that a little shimmy to the side as well. A little bit of shimmy. And now, theoretically, the screen should come out all nicely and lovely for me. There we go, pop. So this is the other part. So this bit can now go again somewhere safe. So we'll pop that there for now because that's somewhere safe. And here's our screen, okay? So this is the part that we want to send off. Now, this is the part this time. However, sometimes what might happen is the actual unit itself may need changing, which is this part here. So sometimes you may have to send this off. So now we've removed the screen. I've showed you how that comes out. Let me show you where we send them to get them fixed. Okay, so then we're going to go to the website Revtronic. So these are a company that we've used quite a lot, and they help with all the necessary repairs. So we're going to go to select a repair, select your repair. Oh, here we go. So it kind of gives you a breakdown of how it works here. So select a repair, brand, Audi, da-da-da-da-da. With this, it's a Mini, so I'm just going to show you through how we do it. So you've already seen what I've taken out. So it's the navigation, Bluetooth repair that we're going to go for. We're going to scroll down to Mini, which is there. We're then going to go down to the sat-nav unit 40. And we're going to add this to our basket. Okay, so we've now added this fault to the basket. So let's go to our basket. So this now gives it all here. That's absolutely fine. So we're going to proceed to the checkout. Okay, and then all we're going to do is we're going to fill in our details, all in and whatnot, and we're going to follow from there. Now, ultimately, I'm not going to put too many of my details in. However, I am going to put all my details in, pay the bill of £375, and box it up and send it off. So now what we've done is we've placed the order, okay, and what they'll do is they'll send you email confirmation. Now, this you must print off. And you must put it inside the actual thing itself, okay? So that gives you the invoice, where to put it and whatnot, okay? So that's all there. So we're going to pop that inside, okay? This is the address of where to send it to. Here's one I made earlier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bubble wrap. Actually, we won't put it around the back. We'll put it around the front of the screen because that's the most delicate part of the whole fixture. Right, so let's get some parcel tape on the case. Okay guys, so I'm packed up, ready to go. Next time you'll see me is when this little kitty comes back. Stay tuned. Hi guys, you're right, and it's back. So we've now got it back from Revtronic, so it comes back with this little mark on it. So let's open her up, get her out into the car, and fix her all back up again. So. Damn. Beautiful little finish. Thank you very much, Revtronic. Okay, so it's back, 080223, and our screen is back. There she is with her film. Let's go and fit up. Okay guys, so we're in the car, let's begin with the reinstall. Put this in the right way. Ha! Okay. She's in, clip there, right, okay. Now we just need to put the screws in. God damn it, I forgot the screwdrivers. Let's go get them. Okay, so I've just gone to get the tools that we require, because it's a bit daft when you don't have them to hand. So now we want to remember what screws they were. Right. just bear in mind that when you're doing it, you're just careful of the screen, yeah? Just be a little bit conscious of the screen, but the screen only goes in one way as well, so that should be pretty easy to do. Right, okie dokie. Now we get to play with cables and stuff. So now we'll just pop everything back in. Okay, so that's all out the way. Pop that one in. Like I said, they all fit one hole, so you can't get it wrong. If you do get it wrong, super fantastic to you, because theoretically you cannot get them wrong. Right, they're all in. Okay, now all we're going to do is you're just going to ease her back in into place. Okay, goodness. Okay, so you're going to put the bottom bit in first. Okay, so once the bottom bit's in, that's it, she's in. Then we'll give her a little push at the top. That's it, pop, and she's in. So now we'll get the screw again. Just going to pop these ones in the bottom. Oh, okay, now we can pop this back up here, so she's back in nicely. Then we got our beautiful cover, just clips over the top, so she should just slide in there nicely like a beaut, like a glove. Right, so these bits here, guys, okay, these are the bits that we pushed and pushed the tops in to get them. Okay, so what you can do is you can then push them back so they go like that. Okay, so now it's like that, and then underneath we're just going to hold that bit, push it up in there, and then just pop that in. Okay, we're going to do the same again on the other side. So again, hold that, give it a push so it pops back there, so you got that bit there. We're going to fold that in there, just push that in, okay, and then pop that in there. Okay, so now that's in nice and tight. So that is the head unit back in, all in working order, and we're all good now. So yeah, one job done. So thanks again, guys. I am turning off, checking out, and we'll see you again soon on another Mini Guy. Catch up soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and like the video. Any questions you have, please leave a comment. And if you do like what you see and you're liking our videos, please subscribe. Once again, thanks from me and thanks for watching. See you soon.